The second program is write a program to load a color image and display RGB image. First we have to load the image and after that we have to display the RGB image. And next B is we have to extract red, green, blue component from the RGB image. After that we have to show the or we have to display the separated each component from a RGB image. For that, start with variable image. For that, have to read the image from an image path. IamRead is a inbuilt function. Now we have to read an image from an image path. That is, here is my image path. Copy this and paste it here. Then give backslash. Then my image name is flower. Copy the flower name and paste it, and image stored in a format JPG and end with a single quotation. Then give semicolon. After reading, I have to display the image. So use IamShow function to display the image. IamShow of image. So image is stored in a variable image. Here in this program we have to show 4 images. One is RGB image and another one is only red component of a RGB image and green component of a RGB image and blue component of a RGB image. So for that we need 4 blocks. So we have to divide 4 blocks. That is subplot of 2, 2 means 2 into 2 is 4. So it will divide the 4 blocks. In that 4 blocks, the RGB image will be shown in block 1. That is, the third parameter indicates the block number. So after displaying RGB image, we have to extract R component. Next, for red component, the image is stored in a variable image of colon, comma, 1. So it indicates it extract the R component from a RGB image. The first parameter indicates all rows, all column. 1 means red component of this RGB image. After extracting, we have to display the image. So subplot of 2, 2, 2. Here we are displaying the image in a second block. So IamShow of image. So this will display the R component from a RGB image. Now we have to extract the green component from the image. That is G, means green component. So here green is equal to image of colon, comma, 2 means all rows, all column of a green component. Next we have to display the green component that is extracted from a RGB image. That is subplot of 2, 2, 3 means here we are displaying a green component in a third block of a divided blocks. So IamShow of green. Next we have to extract blue component from RGB image. So for that, blue is equal to image of colon, colon, 3. Subplot of 2, 2, 4. Means we are displaying blue component in a fourth block. That is I am show of blue. So it extract the blue component from a RGB image. Now save this in a folder. Then execute. Here you can see that, here you have to show red here. So again, once again, clear the console and clear the variable window. Then again run it. So here you can see that in the first block the RGB image is displaying, and in a second block the red component from a RGB image is displaying, and in a third block green component is displaying, and in a fourth block the blue component of extracted RGB is displayed. So this is a second program of image processing. For next program, watch the upcoming video. Thank you.